Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do three different styles for the everyday. This is what I'm starting with. 2 days.
I'm sorry.
Yesterday. So today is the second day. This little guy over here has been bugging me all day, so I'm gonna fix that. Why are you me? Alright. I'm gonna try this again. Look at that. What is that? What is going on here? Why do you not girl? Why? There you go. So that's your side, huh? Really like my bangs kind of like in my face and not too like, you know.
Style number 1.
I think that's good. So about, you know, not that much. And then over here, we're gonna section as well. All right. Move this out of the way. Then we're going to do a braid. We're gonna get 3 sections. And we're gonna go in. And grab a little section. And we're gonna stop right there. Leave enough room. And what you're gonna wanna do, I call it pancake. So you're just gonna pull away. Are you getting this? Oh, no. There you go. And pull away. Where you're gonna feel the tension over here when it's pulling. So just, you know, let it go a little bit, but obviously don't let it go all the way. Okay, I think that's good enough for me. Maybe a little bit more right here. Okay, and then you're gonna wanna put an elastic on there. All right, that's good. And then you're gonna let go of your bangs. Can you see? This is hard to do. Also blinding lights everywhere. Oh my god. All right, I like to section like 3 little, you know, rectangle pieces in the back. Oh yeah, I have to turn. If you prefer less volume, do not do this. This little piece right beside it, a little bit more poofy. And then I'm gonna do the same thing over here. We're going to just bring it down. Maybe a little bit of funk on. It's a little tiny clip, but you know, you can use bobby pins as well. And then I'm just going to clip it. All right, that's it. What that is, look number uno. I adore this. So cute. All right. We're taking it up. This is look number dos.
Yes, okay.
So, we're going to section off. I like to do it where like my eyebrow kind of peaks. And we're going to go in half. To grab this section, and I'm going to start a braid back. We're gonna do the same thing as you did with the, and this doesn't even look that cute. How come it looks better on Pinterest than me? I should probably think about it for a sec. Just like, don't wing it, Zoo. It's just not working for you like other people.
I'll be back.
Hi, beautiful.
I'm back.
Next day, I had to wait, so I'm going to go ahead and continue this video.
Style number 2.
I think this time I'm gonna go just inside. Okay, and right where you end your half, you're going to leave it there. Leave it there. We don't want to braid anymore. Maybe just one more. That's it. And you're gonna want to grab your elastic. And grab it. And before you finish, kind of like grab the hair and put it in there. Just mess it up. And then pull it. That's cute. If it's like sticking out in a weird area, just grab a bobby pin and just pin it down. I mean, it's kind of hard to see the braid when
You have dark hair?
but hey, we know it's there, right? That's it. We're gonna grab our other elastic, and we're gonna do the same thing. Before stopping, see how it kind of grabs onto some hair, like be random. One more turn. And then you pull, kind of bring whatever's sticking out, you bring it to the side. So you can leave it. It's sticking out, looks good, but we don't want it going frontwards. And you grab another bobby pin. Rest of your hair. How cute is that? Okay, I had my
Model moment.
All right. If you wanted a bit more balance, I would say like right here. Do what we did last time, just poof it up. Obviously, don't leave that big poof that I left. Don't.
Cool, Zoo.
And if you want a little bit of more. Okay, I had enough.
It's look number 2.
Style number. We're gonna go to the side, your preferred side. Flip it. You're gonna separate the hair, almost like the first one, but you have less hair to work with. We're gonna separate it in an angle just like this. Leave enough hair so it covers your ear, just like that. And we're gonna do another section. Like that, okay? And then you're gonna want to grab all the rest of the hair you have there. Flip it away. You're gonna grab that section. You're gonna clip away this part. And we're gonna do a braid on this one. And that's it, you can stop. Leave some of it down, an elastic on it. Okay, we're gonna let go of the top section and we're gonna do the same thing. And then we can just add it to the same elastic. Let go of the rest of your hair. And same thing as before. Grab sections and piece. And you're gonna grab that and just put it back. What do you think? I really hope you guys like this video. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Also, put on that little ring bell so you can always get notifications. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you next Tuesday.